S-1-11B, you only built about 4 of these airplanes were built for Class 1 flying. Michael Wiskus is Lucas Oil This is just a little teaser for us in the background. We're going to do this full routine. Now, folks, as you stand, sit, kneel, lie down, spend some time beside one of the airplanes, you are doing that in one positive change. That's one time the crowd plays pull. Good old Mother Nature work. Our pilots are putting their bodies in their airplanes in excess of 45 to 70. When you see it take that airplane rolled upside down and start pushing forward on a stick, that's a negative achievement over. They're trying to rip themselves out of the cockpit of the airplane. Now, do not worry about the smoke oil. The smoke coming out of the back likes the airplane. Somewhere inside the airplane, it has a fuel tank, and the fuel tank has got, you guessed it, smoke oil. He mixes a blend of smoke oil and brute aftershaves in the smoke oil. So if you get it wet, it smells like brute, that's right. You're going to see a lot of different kinds of rolls. Barrel rolls, shoulder rolls, vertical rolls, vertical down rolls, light spins. You're going to see it all this afternoon, folks. Mike pulls up, snaps on top of his vertical line, keeps throwing the airplane right down the runway side to the inverted, hangs by the hook or harness inside the airplane, coming back down to 45 gallon to the vertical. Again, this is just a teaser of Michael Wiskus. Now, Mike has that zero where he can roll the wheels down the runway. He feels neat to it. Pulls it out of 5G pull. Now you see that Lucas Oil top wing of the airplane. Michael Wiskus rolling the backside of our Airshow box for us today. It's just a little about a 5-minute teaser for us. I can do it too. This bitch pulls up, hovers the airplane, the vertical climb on the right-hand side of our Airshow box. Now, we own the airport at 16,500 feet, a 5-mile radius of this airport. We own the airspace, so nobody better be flying in here while we're recording this Airshow today. As back comes back, there's a vertical roll and vertical upline for us. Again, stops our vertical line, hang on the front, keeps rolling there, pushes forward the stick, outside, hump the roll. He goes about 1 negative, throws himself up against the shoulder. Wiskus taxis by. He can't hear you because he's got a helmet on, earplugs in, maybe a headset on too. He can't hear, but he can see you. So as he taxis back down our taxiway in front of us, pull your hat off your head, your hankies out of your pocket, give Michael Wiskus a big wave for us this afternoon. Again, that was just a little teaser for us today. He's coming back later on the program to do a full routine for us. So give Michael Wiskus an S-1-11B Pitts a nice big wave as he taxis by. A couple people waving down through there. It's everybody waving, Mike. That's better.